Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today magluluto tayo ng upo na walang sardinas. Ito ang kanyang mga sangkap. Take off the skin already. I peel off the skin of the gourd, fish, the mud fish, grind garlic, green fresh chili, and onion and fresh coriander leaves. Now let us heat the pan. We put oil. We will fry the garlic first and the onion. Please, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below. Please like and subscribe. If you like to comment, please comment down below. Thank you very much. Now here, still frying the onion and garlic. Let the onion little brown so it smell good, because I like the smell of onion if it coming a little brown. Just a little brown. Now he's still brown. Now we will put the fish or mud fish, snake-headed fish. This is a mud fish, or in Tagalog, this is dalag, isdang dalag. Now we will put salt. I didn't use SMG or Ajinomoto because I don't like, guys. This is not good for our health, this Ajinomoto. You better put too much of garlic or onion. Now we will put the yellow powder or turmeric powder, chili powder. It's up to you if you want to put or no. It's up to you, because I'm cooking curry. That's why I put only chili powder and turmeric powder. Now we will put water so that the powder will be dissolved in water. Mix it in a little bit. Then you cover it for 3 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Let it boil and let the fish cook for 3 minutes. Then after that you can take the fish and then you can put the gourd in. Then you can put the gourd. Now here it is boiled already. Now it is now let's take the fish from the pan. Now let's take the fish from the pan and then we'll put the gourd. I put the gourd already in the pan. Don't put water, just cover it. If you want to learn more, any ideas or any other techniques, guys, in cooking, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell below for your notification for the new upload of my videos. Please like and subscribe to comment if you like. Thank you so much, guys. If you don't have any sardines in your house, guys, if you have fish, you can use your fish in the fridge from frozen, or better you can use fresh fish for cooking. We will see our gourd is soft, guys. Now it's looking like it's soft now. Now we can put our green chili. We can put our green chili and the fish. Put maybe 1 minute. Put in 1 minute. This coriander leaves is good for cooking, guys. Smell good, and it also gives you vitamin because this is also a vegetable. Fresh fish is good for cooking, guys. Good in health, fresh in protein. So better you use fresh fish in cooking. Now as you can see, I put the fish and the green chili already in the gourd. Then let's cook for maybe 2 minutes. Cover it. After 2 minutes, then we will open and then we will put our fresh coriander leaf. now guys, now it's already cooked. Then here's our finished product, gourd with fresh fish. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.